Is breakfast really the most important meal of the day? Let's find out! Numerous studies into the field of intermittent fasting indicate that skipping breakfast might not be a terrible idea. There's a lot of benefits that these studies indicate from intermittent fasting, such as better metabolic health, weight loss, reduced inflammation levels in our body. So for some who aren't athletes or have high energy requirements, intermittent fasting might be a good idea. The truth, as always, lies somewhere in the middle. For some people, not eating breakfast will work, and for others, eating breakfast will be better. Just remember, if you are going to eat breakfast, make sure it's not just a bowl of cereal that's high in salt and sugar. Make sure it's a nutritious breakfast, it's part of your overall balanced diet. Crack on, enjoy, let me know in the comments below how you get on.